Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the help center on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to find the help center, click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and in the left bar you can find the help center option under the feedback. Click that, and in this PDF document you can find the frequently asked question and tutorial how to use the app. You can check that, you can read the information about the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.